Carrero. Chewy? Ay, iba pala yung chewy.
Oh, even here. Tingnan mo pres, yung sapa nila punong-puno ng
Ano?
ano.
Dami. Buti hindi kinakain ng ano, no? Ng mga pato. Oh, shit, nakapila sila, oh. Limited, oh.
Parang mamatay na ngayon sa may sugat, oh.
Kahit net lang, pre. No, yung fish net lang.
Tingin ko pre, kahit talunin kayo, may mahuhuli akong isa dyan. Imposibleng.
Posibleng wala.
Fish net.
Grabe, tingnan mo ang dai, oh. Ang sarap.
Lalaki, oh.
Ganunin mo lang inang ko, no? Ng kahoy. Kilo yan, eh.
Oo. Pero halo nila yan. Nagkocontrol lang sila sa ano, papay-stop.
Ba't yung isa parang sugat-sugat?
Kinagat.
Tinagat.
Inaway.
Ba't tayo sila kagad na nagbungog? Nagantay na pagkain?
Napakasagana ng anyong tubig dito sa
Sarap,
New
oh.
Zealand, oh. Ang daming trout.
Pabigay, nakapila pa. Come on, get me, get me, get me. Sarap,
Wala
oh.
na lang. Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Sarap, no? Ayun, oh.
Where are you? Down here. You get to feed them.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Shoot, underwater?
Papa, you go down there. I'm gonna feed them to see what it looks like.
What the?
There's no tail on that fish. Yeah, there's no tail. Guys, just look there. Look there. There's no tail. Oh, nice.
There's no tail.
Melky, look there. Kuya will feed them.
Oh wow! Oh yeah!
Wait, I know what to do.
Oh, no. Gamba, oh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, you saw it? Oh, they're fighting.
I see they're fighting.
Ooh, wow. It's too big. Galing,
Daddy,
oh.
look at that one. It doesn't have tail. And that one doesn't have tail.
I'm feeding them like this.
Marunong sila mag-perform, ano?
Look, that one right there doesn't have a
Ilang
tail.
kilo? 2 kilo?
That don't even have a fin.
kilo.
I don't have a fin. That one don't have a. I thought the one with no tail. And the one
Look at the food. Look at the food. It's gonna be gone.
Hindi pa malalim, ano?
Hindi.
It's so giant.
I'm gonna go continue.
That one's so giant.
Yes, do you have a cookies there? Sorry.
It's nice down there, right?
Alam mo, nagpunta tayo na airport sa inagbayan tayo ng aquarium na ang hirap makita ng isda. Nawandaran dito, nagpe-perform yung mga isda.
Oh. What?
I'm Melky.
What's that, Bambam? Oh! Kids fishing!
Oh yeah, but you can't see the.
Please take your certificate to the kiosk.
Oh. This is how this fish.
Wow.
Oh, but you need to do next time we will go, okay?
Coming to this man. His name is Doug. Wait, what?
Tanda ko.
Sabi din last time na booking yung lang kasi bigla eh.
Hindi. Tagal naman.
Nililimit lang nila. Kasi 1, 2, 3. Tatlo lang. Per set.